Hello everyone. Today's topic is like how do we use the amount, like the money amount we have collected from the shares by issuing premium. Like we are talking about that premium amount that we collected extra at the time of issue of shares. So let me briefly give you idea what is the shares at premium. I hope you know because I'm just giving you the idea. Like we are issuing shares at premium, that is above the normal value. We are issuing our shares in the market above our nominal value of shares. So the extra amount that we are getting from the market, that is security premium. And today's question of the day is like how and when we use that extra amount. For example, we have issued our shares for maybe roughly about 500 rupees in the market. Our nominal value of the shares is 100. So the extra amount is 400. So how do we use that 400? The company cannot use in its own wish. There are some rules, regulations, limitation, we can say restriction on using that amount. So let's understand what the rules say about using this money. That's our topic today. So let's start. Now, as per the section 52, subclause 1, the amount of security premium should be transferred to a different account named security premium account. If you guys have remembered that journal entry we used to pass for security premium whenever we issue shares at a premium. So the section 52 of subclause 1 clearly states that you have to keep these amount. Which amount? The extra security amount in a separate account. So the separate account is called security premium account. The next subclause is about how to utilize the security premium account. That is section 52 subclause 2. So let's understand what are the ways or how do we use this security premium account money. The first place where you can use the security premium amount is to issue fully paid bonus shares. What is a bonus shares? Which we give to our existing shareholders without cost, free of cost, यानी bonus है ये हमारी तरफ से हमारे shareholders को. So we give bonus shares to our existing shareholders, that is fully paid. So that amount is covered from security premium account. That is our first utilization of security premium amount. The second use of the security premium amount is to write off the preliminary expense. Did you guys remember preliminary expense, where we use this expense in our final account? Whenever company started, we need to occur some expense which is as a preliminary basis, the primary, the starting expense of starting company. So that's preliminary expense जो है हमारे पास, जो हमने किया था सबसे पहले into the starting phase of company. That phase, that expense, we use this amount. Which amount? The security premium amount, to write off, to cover that expense at the time of starting the company. So first is bonus shares, second is we can use this amount to writing off preliminary expense of the company. The third utilization of the security premium account is to writing off or to allow the discount or the commission which we allowed or which we paid on the time of issue of shares or debenture. whenever we issue shares or debenture, we allow some discount, we allow some commission, that yes, we need some underwriting commission. So we have to ensure that yes, our shares will be purchased. So that commissions, that discount expense will be covered from security premium account. Now, if you know the concept of redeemable, that means after certain period of time, we have to redeem the amount back to the original owner of the shares, preference shares or maybe the debenture holders. We have certain period of time that yes, after 5 years we have to give back their amount to the owner. So that called redeemable preference shares or the debenture. So whenever this time come, we issue our shares or we redeem our shares on premium. Premium means we are giving back extra money. We can issue shares at premium and we can redeem shares at premium. At the time of issue, we are receiving extra, but at the time of redeeming, we are giving extra. So that extra amount, the premium amount which we are giving, can be recovered from the security premium account. So by redeeming premium shares, that is preference, or by redeeming premium debenture, we are giving back at the premium, so that amount can be recovered from the security premium account. The fourth use is that sometimes in the market, company need to purchase its own shares or security. So to purchase the own shares from the market, the company can use this amount. Company can use this amount to purchase their own security on shares or under section 68, whatever the requirement is needed. So that's the utilization of security premium account under section 52 subclause 2.